Welcome back to Terry's Model Rod Shop. In this video, I'm going to actually build the car and try my best to show each step as I go. There is a few steps, a few things I did different. I didn't add the driver figure. I cut the dry shaft off where it was all molded as one piece in the rear suspension for ease of paint. And I'm going to make a dry shaft in 2 videos from now. And then I made the window net where it was in the down position because window nets are never up in a race car unless they're racing. So follow along as I build the car, and then next video we'll go into detailing wheels and tires. Thanks.